Hello everyone, this is Juan with King Credit, giving result in the first 30 days. This is one of my client. She came to me pretty much a month ago, September 29th. And she came and called me and told me, that her credit was having issue. And I told her, don't worry, it doesn't matter what you have. It just doesn't really matter what you have. We'll give you result in the first 30 days. If you don't see result in the first 30 days, nothing changed, your credit score doesn't go up, you don't receive letter from the credit bureau, let's say they stay the same, we'll give you a full refund of your money back. But look at this. I just refreshed it today. Unbelievable. Lexington Law is not going to give you the result that I give you. You could go through any company and be my guest. If they are able to give you the result that I give you, I'll pay you double. But result in the first 30 days, unbelievable. You can always give us a call, 585-589-8111. Or you could call my cell phone, 321-438-3028. Giving result in the first 30 days. Fix your credit.